Well, Mateo, welcome to Wales. I have to say it's been a difficult week for Croatia after losing to Turkey on Thursday night, but how have you and the other players responded?
Yeah, it's not easy when you lose a game, especially we were in good form, good shape the recent games, but in football sometimes happens that you are not on the level. Turkey was the better opponent, deserved win for them. Luckily, football gives you another opportunity straight away, so we have a big game tomorrow and we need to be prepared and ready for a big fight here.
I think one thing with this group so far is expect the unexpected, because there have been a couple of shock results. But what, as a team, did you learn from your defeat to Turkey on Thursday?
We learned as soon as you get confident and you are not on your level, not 100%, not 100% in the duels, and you lose a game because we play against quality opponents. Turkey is one of them, Wales as well, so it will be a difficult game again tomorrow, and we need to be more ready than we were the other day.
This Croatia team, you're not used to losing. You'll definitely want a response by winning tomorrow night?
We want a response, of course, because we were, like I said, in a good form, in a good shape, getting results, but sometimes, tough moments exist, so this was a tough loss for us, but now we have, like I said, the opportunity to come straight back and have a good game tomorrow.
Wales have had a tough campaign so far. They have to win tomorrow night. They have to win all of their remaining games if they are to qualify for Germany. So what are you guys expecting from Wales?
We have to win as well, because we want, like I said, straight away to come back. We expect an aggressive team tomorrow from Wales. They are always a tough opponent, fighting until the end, and it will be tough set pieces. So they have quality players, and we expect a very, very tough game here away, but we need to be ready for that.
Yeah, you said Wales fight till the end. That's exactly what they did out in Croatia in the opening game, and I think that was a lesson that you guys, you can't lose any concentration at any moment, can you?
Very true, very true. We were dominating the game, and we had a few chances, didn't score, and then they had a set piece in the end and they scored, so we have to be very careful tomorrow and be prepared for more than 90 minutes.
Finally, the fact that you're playing here tomorrow, this place behind you is going to be full of a very, very loud Welsh crowd. They're always behind the team. You think back to the qualifier Wales had against Austria, Ukraine to get to the World Cup. Does that make it an even bigger challenge for you?
It will be a bigger challenge, of course, because, like you said, they need a win. And I've played here 2 times against Wales, and it was always tough because, like I said, they fight until the end. The crowd is amazing, so it will be a good game tomorrow, and we both fight for our place to go to the Euros.
Mateo, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.